Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how I laminated my own eyebrows at home. So this is the kit I got from Amazon, and here I'm just opening it and seeing what's inside. These are the lash lift tools, which is just a spoolie and a little, there's one more thing in there, I don't know what they're called. They have the lift pads here, and they come in different sizes: large, small, medium. There's like three different sizes of medium. And then these are the cleaning tools where you use to take off the solution that you use to laminate or perm your lashes or eyebrows in this case. And that's number one. Step one, you perm it. Step two, fixation. And then there's number three, nutrition, which is just like an oil. And then there is the cleanser. And then of course the glue. Okay, so first you just clean your eyebrows. Make sure you don't have any product or makeup or anything on it. And then you start applying the glue and brushing it upwards, or however you want it to laminate or stay once you perm it. I do recommend doing it in sections because the glue does dry really fast, and I was having trouble. I made a mistake of doing it all at once, and then it was just drying so fast that it was so hard for me to brush it up, as you could see here. So yeah, do it in smaller sections. So I do the same thing on the other side, and the side of my eyebrow is so much fuller, so it looks so much nicer. And I did do it in sections this time. And this is when the gluing part is done, and I'm freaking out just a little bit because I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So here we are. I start perming it. So you can use a Q-tip to apply the solution, which is what I did, and you basically just apply it all over the eyebrow and do the same thing on the other side, and you cover it for about 10 minutes with a plastic wrap or a saran wrap. It looks so funny, but this is pretty much what you do, and you wait for 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes, and basically you take it off. It's such a satisfying feeling though, taking it off. It feels so good. Anyway, so you take it off, and without removing what's already on there, you put the fixation solution. Basically, this is where I think the perming starts, or it fixates where the eyebrow is gonna stay. So once you have that applied, you cover it again for another 10 minutes and you wait. Okay, now take it off and clean all the solution off of your eyebrows, like so. This is when you start using the cleaning tools that they give you. It's like, it has a little brush. It's like a little brush where you just brush up as you take off the solution. This part was a little tough because the glue was still stuck on my eyebrows, but you keep doing it until all the product is off. And after I use the brush side, I'm using the smooth side just to kind of go over and take off whatever is left. And as you can already see, my left side eyebrow has so much more hair and so much fuller. Once you use the tool, you can go ahead and use a paper towel to remove anything else that's left. And then moving on to the nutrition, nourishes your eyebrows, and you leave it on pretty much overnight. And this is how they turned out. And I was like, there's no way I'm leaving it this long, so I went ahead and trimmed it a little bit. And this is the final look. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give me a like and let me know if you will try it at home.